part 2 of the cherry red matte chrome. Today we're gonna do the doors for the Dodge Charger. Let's do it. Alright guys, today we're gonna do the doors, both 4 doors. For that I need to remove the handles, and because this car is white, I'm gonna remove this plastic trim on both doors. This one. To remove this one, only has screws. One screw here, one here, and one. Let me see if I can see it. One more over there. You can see it. Same thing on both on the rear door too. There's one screw there, and other one right there, right here. Okay, so let's do the doors. Okay, when you're removing this door handle, make sure that this it's on the unlock position. I don't know if you can see it, because if it's not on the unlock position, and if you close the door, you won't be able to open it even from here. Okay, so this one is not gonna work. Make sure that the screw thing has to be in the unlock position, right? And the tool I'm using is a T15. I'm gonna put the tools on the description of the video, all right? Alright, one door is ready, 3 more to go. So here you can see edges. It's a little bit hard. This area is hard because you have to put the squeegee here to put it inside, but you can see it here. See it there? here. Sorry about the light. Alright, right there. You can see. In there. So it looks pretty cool. So now let's do the other door. Alright, this one is finished. This one is the same as the other one, but the only difference is that this one has like this lip, this. So you have to wrap here and then in here, so I cut it in there. I was almost cutting this thing, so this one, don't cut it, open the door, and then you wrap it inside here. You can see it. And this one, in this piece, have to patch but with the knifeless tape, but all this part is the same one piece. Okay, you can see it there on the edges. Then the door handle there, inside here, and the bottom. So these two doors are ready. So now let's do the other side. All right. Okay, on this one I didn't like the white on the bottom, so I added a small red line in the bottom here. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it right there. So now everything looks red. Cool. Alright, now these two doors are ready. I already cleaned it and removed the door handles. So now I'm gonna wrap them both. So this one I'm gonna put it in faster speed. Alright.
Next level. Next level.
Alright guys, now the doors are ready. You can see them here. I don't know if you can see how they shine with the sun. This is like a matte chrome look. Very nice. Still, it's hard to see how it's gonna look all red, but when it's finished, it's gonna look super cool. Alright, you can see it there. Show you the details. Alright, looks cool. You can see it there. Sorry about the wind, it's too windy today, but I hope you can hear me. Yeah, so it's cool. So these are the doors. Alright guys, this is part 2 of the full wrap in matte red chrome. So hit the notification bell to see this series. It's gonna look super cool. Okay, if you like the video, please like the video, and if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.